Hello, I am Bilal, and we have just gone through a comprehensive training conducted by UXL on Power BI at in-house in our company. So the main on day-to-day basis, we interact with data on daily basis, and we feel that every employee at every level needs to upskill his data analytics skill to excel in the upcoming era. So this was a need, and I think UXL have performed at par with our expectations. And the thing that stands out UXL is that the practical approach and the way the trainers take the people along and creates curiosity among them to learn more. I think I would highly recommend them for these data analytics training. Thank you.